Hello, today we'll be showing how to control your drone in real conditions without headless mode, which is one of the difficult things to do because your brain cannot really understand how drone works if you're not used to it. Let's synchronize the drone with remote control. Start it and let's fly it. Let's calibrate it. Now it's in stable position more or less. And so what's going on with your drone when you fly it? So when you rotate the drone around the axis, you lose track of it, because when you're used to using RC toys, you want to move your joystick forward like this and go forward. Move your joystick backwards and you move your toy backwards. But what happens if your drone goes like this? Now you lose the orientation. You want to go forward, but it goes backwards. You want to go backwards, it goes forward. So you need to get used to the rotation of the drone and understand how to control it. You need to know where the drone is heading. You need to see the front part of your drone and go forward like this. So when you don't have this ability and you're not used to it, what I would suggest is to turn your joystick like this if you don't understand what's going on, and then you will understand how to use it. Like you do it like that, you understand that you go forward. Then let's say the wind is moving it like this, you turn your joystick like this and you go like this, and then it's becoming easier. After that you will get used to that, you will be able actually to control it without moving the joystick. So you'll go forward, you'll be able to rotate it and still move forward. You will lose fear of losing your drone, and it will be much easier for you to do that. And there are a few movements you can do as well. If you move your joysticks, both joysticks to the right, it will turn right. It will not turn around the axis like this. It will not go to the side, to the right or to the left. It will go like this. And it makes the drone to control easier. Like this. And to do that, the movement is like this. Both joysticks to the side, to the right. Or both joysticks to the left. So that's a good thing to do when you lose control of your drone. You can immediately change the direction of the drone and make it move forward. Like if you remember the stick, this stick, and you know that pushing forward it will go forward, then when the wind takes your drone away and you lose the coordination, you can immediately do like this and wait until it gets into the direction you want. Stop it and forward, and you go forward like that. Then again, move it, you don't see it, but you see the light. So you see the forward, it's running away, let's say, from you. And you turn it like this, and you go forward, and you bring it back. Now I have a wind, for example, and I'm having problems, but the wind can take you to the water, and you can lose your drone. So to save it, you just do it like this, hey, go back, and you move it forward. You just remember the stick forward. Once you learn how to do that, you'll be more confident in using the drone.